Hi everyone! Welcome to our OVI's Frequently Asked Questions. Kalimitan na tinatanong ng ating mga community members na protected ng OVI Silpro product, pwede ba na gawing beneficiary ang aking ka-live-in partner? As we all know, when it comes to beneficiary, ang kinakailangan ay mga immediate family members. Now, with regards to the question, pwede ba ang ka-live-in partner? The answer is yes, pwede po. However, kailangan po kayo ay naninirahan sa parehas na address for the period of 5 years at pataas. So anong requirements na kailangan mo lang i-submit? Meron kayo parehas na ID that shows the same address kung saan kayo po ay naninirahan. Share it para yung mga kasama natin sa community na hindi pa kasal pero they've been living for the longest time already. Pwede nyo po yan gawing beneficiary. Thank you so much and see you more sa ating OVI's Frequently Asked Questions.